Hey. Okay. Hey. Speak. What you will say? Sabi. Magandang araw. Bo kabayan. Magkabayan. Tama? Sulatin asawa yun yung letter na to. Ako bo ang aking pamilya ay magbabahag ng iba't ibang pamamaraan magluto tulad ng banyaga, Binoy at banyagang bakain. Katulad din yung Arabic siya kay yung ibang Pwede po kayong mungkahi kang what?
Mungkahi.
Kung
anong gusto ninyo.
Kung anong gusto ninyo aming luto. Hindi ako naintindihan nagsabing nasawa ko. What we going to cook? You tell them what we are going to cook. What do you like me to cook? Chicken. Chicken what?
Meat.
Chicken adobo?
Meat. I'm asking meat.
You meat. Okay. Do you like that chicken adobo? The one I cook, you eat it?
No, it's mommy.
I cooked last time.
Last time?
Yes.
I thought it's mommy.
No, it's me.
Mommy is in the sofa.
That's why I cook it.
You cook?
So what you will tell to the people? Please. Thank you for watching. Yeah. Ammo. Ammo what? Yalla. See. So we can go to sleep. Ammo is. Yalla. See.
Video.
Video. Ammon is
Video.
No, say here. Ammon is what?
Video.
Ammon is video. Okay. And like. Don't whisper. Do you want to hear you? Say. Guys, your support ba magmalaki ni